This is kind of like the Calçada de Quartéis, is basically like the quarters of the, like this is actually the military club right there. And then on the other side of this, there's actually a giant wall right there with cannons and such like that. And this road that we are looking at right now is called the Praia Grande, which is like Big Beach Road. So the ocean used to come right up to this wall, and this wall has a bunch of stuff to protect it. And then this over here is all reclaimed land. All those two casinos right there, Grand Lisboa and Lisboa casinos. What we're gonna do is walk up along this military club and go up into this street and kind of show you a little bit of what we can see on the street. So stay tuned for that. Kind of walk over a little bit. Yeah, this whole military club is kind of a nice little space. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. So stay tuned. Just try to capture this real quick before we go up. And now we're gonna head on up. So the military club, my understanding is it used to be like African and Indian and like people from the Portuguese speaking colonies used to kind of guard the city, as well as Portuguese themselves, I'm sure. I don't know the full aspects of it, but anyways, this is kind of where the barracks used to be. You can see some really beautiful architecture, and then up in there there's some cannons up in that way. I don't think we can get very close to those, but we will be able to walk up this little space right here. So let's walk up, kind of highlight what we can highlight in this area. Yeah, this used to overlook the ocean, so it's kind of up on a nice hill, and then yeah, you got cannons all around that fortress wall. And we're gonna walk along this, kind of highlight whatever we can see in here. So yeah, this all would have overlooked the ocean before. That used to be in the ocean, those two casinos. Which is now on reclaimed land. You can overlook. So there's more of that wall right there. Pretty cool. Beautiful tree. Okay, let me walk like this. Get some really beautiful area in here. So we're actually going to walk over there towards the San Francisco Garden. And I think this is all part of the same street anyways. And I'm also going to try to overlook the park, San Francisco Gardens. Here we go. So now we can actually overlook that. There's actually some water fountains in this area, so maybe we'll try to capture some of that. But we'll go down and you can see it from there. Beautiful tree. Oh, there's actually apples in that tree. There's like apples there. There's a few apples. I don't know if people are intentionally throw those in there. And then this is our garden. Okay, so what we're gonna do next is keep following our street up. Yeah, and there's a nice little tower in here too. That tower, there's a pink tower that we're gonna see in a moment. And it has some kind of symbolic value to it. I think it's connected to it's connected to Portugal more than it is to Macau. So yeah, this is called the San Francisco Garden. That nice tower. And then this is the military barracks. That pink. I think it's government buildings of some kind. And we're gonna walk down the hill as well, but before we even do, we'll just go up real quick and just kind of highlight this little space. This pink tower in particular. There's a few photographers there. It's kind of cool. Yeah, it's a nice space. So okay, and actually this is sometimes kind of a symbolic feature of Macau as well. Nice trees. Okay, so we're gonna head back down. And our target street was over there, but we're gonna head down this way. And I'm just gonna come to conclusion back down by Avenida de Praia Grande, which is Big Beach Road, which is basically that one at the end. And that's actually kind of where we started as well. But also this gives me a chance to kind of highlight the San Francisco Gardens as well. There we go. So that's where we were just at. Coming down at the base of the park. So yeah, pretty nice little space. So yeah, I used to have this gardens here, and this would be the military club that was at the end of the beach road, which had cannons and all those types of things, and the military club. Pretty nice little space. And we're just going to come back and highlight it at the end so you can see that we kind of went up and we came back down. So we started down there. And we could actually go up into there a little bit, get some views, but I think I'm gonna end this particular video. So yeah, I think my understanding is that whole thing would have been, the beach road would have been where we're walking right now, more or less. And then over here, I believe, would have been all reclaimed land. The reclaimed land would have been, this road would have been here, I guess. And then the reclaimed land would be everything on that side over there. Okay. So let's end it right there. This tree's probably seen quite a bit. I imagine this was here back when this was next to the beach. Okay. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.